Today, we are doing hot dogs. You heard me right. We are doing hot dogs here at the house. For today's hot dogs, we're going to do our own in-house chili. We're going to use this 100% grass-fed beef and some pork chorizo to spice it up a bit. We're going to use these ballpark all beef franks and some Johnsonville Bratwurst just to change it up. So we have two varieties of hot dogs today. We're gonna go ahead and saute some onions. Go ahead and get that put on there. And then we'll go prep the bread. Weenies, let them cook. You got two types of bread for the hot dogs we're cooking today. For the brats, we're using these rolls. For the traditional hot dogs, we're gonna use these, they're actually sweet Hawaiian rolls. So they're gonna have a little sweet flavor. Counter the kick in the chili, which is really good. So what I'm gonna do to prep these are already set to go. Just open them up. These, I wanna open them up to these. Just opening them up here. Some olive oil. Just a lot of olive oil on them. We're gonna toast these on the grill. Hot dogs are ready to roll. We're gonna go ahead and prep them up. So we got our buns, put our weenies in there. Super simple, obviously, traditional. That's our brats. So hot dogs, I like mustard. I want to put mustard on the bottom of my hot dogs. Classic American hot dog. Here with our chili. Came out really awesome. It rendered down, so it's just super meaty. All that chili goodness. Loads of cheese. And add some white onion on these. I'm not gonna eat all these hot dogs either. Chili. We're gonna add chili to these too, with the brats on there. Yeah. That chili and that bun. This chili smells awesome too. I'm gonna load these down with some caramelized onions. These are the beer brat onions that we were cooking, smoking out on the grill. Wow. Super good. I like cheese on a hot dog. There you have it, guys. This is my take on the classic hot dog. We got the Hawaiian bun here. We have a large roll that we've put the brats in. We got chili cheese, mustard, white onion. Here we have our sauteed onions that we did on the grill with our chili, and also our toppings of cheese. So we're gonna dig into these. It's a lot. It's a good hot dog. The sweetness of that bun. There's some heat on the back end of the chili. It's really good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this thing. Why not? Add some more chili on these. Let them really soak in. Giant hot dog sandwich. Definitely a lot different taste on it. You got that nice snap of the brat. You can taste the caramelized onions. Doesn't feel like a hot dog. That one's your all-day, all-American hot dog. This one, it's really good. Please like this video, share it, subscribe if you haven't already, get the notifications as the videos roll out. If you have something in mind that you'd like to see me cook or try, leave a comment down below, and we'll try it out on a future video. Once again, BBQANYTIME. Thanks for watching. See you next time.